How to delete a Gmail account on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to permanently remove your Gmail account from your Google profile on PC. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to myaccount.google.com and log into the account you want to delete. At this point, click on Data and Privacy from the left side panel. From there, scroll down and click on Delete your Google account under the More Options section. After that, you may be asked to verify your identity by entering your password again. In the next step, once verified, you will be taken to the account deletion page, where Google will show you everything that will be lost when the account is deleted. From there, read through the list carefully so you understand what data and services will be permanently removed. Once done, scroll down and check both confirmation boxes to acknowledge that you understand the consequences of deleting your account. Following this, click on Delete Account to finalize the process. From here, Google will send a confirmation email to any recovery email address linked to your account. At this stage, keep in mind that deleting your Google account also removes access to all associated Google services, including YouTube, Google Drive, and Google Photos tied to that account. After this, if you only want to delete Gmail specifically without deleting your entire Google account, go back to Data and Privacy, click on Delete a Google service, and select Gmail from the list instead. Keep in mind, account deletion is permanent and cannot be reversed after a short recovery window, so make sure you have backed up any important data before confirming. Finally, once confirmed, sign out of Chrome and verify the account is no longer accessible. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete your Gmail account, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.